Hello all. In this video lecture, we are going to see about shift and add multiplier. This shift and add multiplier, we are going to see what are all the process, what is it happening here. Initially, we are just going to start it and we will be given with two variables x and y. Say for example, this is of 4-bit and this is of 4-bit. So what I'll do is that for my assumption, I'm just going to take this x as b and this y as q. Clear? Right. Then q a is equal to 0. A is nothing but your accumulator. That a value will be taken as 0. That is, if you have, say for example, if my x is going to be of 4-bit, 1, 2, 3, 4, then obviously a is going to be of 4-bit. So a value will be assumed as this. So this is about your a value. So a value, every time a value is assumed to be 0. So that is it. Then next we are going to have n. What is n? N is going to be the number of bits that you are going to have. Say for example, if this is going to be of 4-bit, the n value is going to be of 4-bit. So that is all about your assumptions. So with that, we have completed the first step. Then next step, we are just going to check on the last bit, LSB of your q. Right? What is q? Q is nothing but multiplier, multiplicand. Q is nothing but this value. Right? Say for example, this is 0, 0, 0, 1. So then the q naught will be 1 in this case. So now what is it? If we are having two conditions now. If it is going to be of, say for example, q naught is going to be of 1 or q naught is going to be of 0. Say for example, if it is 1, then we have two steps. If it is 0, we have only one step. This is the process that we are going to follow throughout, right? So I'll tell you in this way, right? If we are going to have a plus b, we are going to perform. After performing that, you are going to perform the shift operation. Similarly, if you are going to have 0, you are just going to perform shifting. What you are going to shift? You are going to shift two values, a and q. I'll be showing a table from where you will be understanding what is a and what is q. Right? How many times you have to do this process? If your n is equal to 4, then obviously you have to do 4 times. In simple thing, if n is equal to 4, you will be performing 4 shift operation. That's all. You will be having add, subtraction, that depends upon the 0 and 1. But basically you will be doing 4 shift operation. Right? Once that 4 shift is over, AQ will be the final answer. I'll show you what is that AQ. Same thing is being said in this flowchart also. So this is what initialization process. Then you are going to check what is your Q naught value. Whatever I showed you, this is the one which is going to follow that. So if it is 1, following this step. If it is 0, following this step. This is about this. So let's go to the practically solving this problem. So I'm going for next one. 1 second. Yes. So this is it. We are going to solve 11 cross 12 in this example. In this we are going for an example of 11 cross 12 we are going. So I have taken 11 cross 12. So I'm going to perform this. Initially, what is my step number 1? Step number 1 is that I am going to take my m value. M is nothing but, there I have specified it as b, that is nothing but m here. So m is nothing but b. I have just changed the variable. That's it. So m is going to be the binary value of 11. M is going to be the binary value of 11. So it is going to be 1011 is the binary value. Then what is q? Q is going to be the next one. Q is going to be 12. 12 is going to be 1100. Every time multiplier, multiplicand. Multiplicand will be the q. Multiplicand will be the q in this case. Right? All the case multiplicand will be the q. Right? Then a, as we already said, a is going to be of 4 zeros in this case, as we have n is equal to 4. Then carry, we are going to perform addition operation. If at all you are going to have carry in that, I'm just going to have this carry bit, which is initially 0. N is the number of operations that you are going to do in this case. Clear. Now I'll go for the first thing. First, as you know, m is equal to 1011, done. Then q value is 1100, a is 0, right, this is taken. Now first check out, see I have specified it with red line. Every time check this one, this is 0. If it is 0, what is the operation you have to do? If it is 0, only perform the shift operation. What you have to shift? You have to shift only a and Q. Other than that, you are not going to do. That is, you are going to shift C, A, Q. These three things you are going to shift. We are going to shift C, A, Q. Clear? Right. Now what I am going to do, this, as I have 0 here, I am just doing the shift AQ operation. Right. This 0 is going to come here. This 0 is going here. This 0 is going here. This 0 is going here. And this 0 is getting shifted here. Clear? Then this 1 is coming here. This 1 is coming here. This 1 is going here. Then this 0 is discarded. Right? Don't bring it to M. M will not have any change. Right? So this is the first step. So first step is done. So then I am going for step number 3. Right? Where it is 0. I am bringing the same. Now I am checking what is the value of 1. The value of the value of Q naught is 1. So what I am going to do? So this is first case. Now this is second case, where in this case I am going to check the value is 0. Hence it is 0. Same operation what we did earlier. So this is shifting here. This is shifting here. This is shifting. Then this 0 is going to come here. So it is becoming 0. This 0 is coming here. 1, 1. Got it. Now you are going to check this. This is 1. So what will happen? If it is 1, you are going to do 2 operations. A plus M. Again, then you will be performing shifting operation. So A plus M I have shown here. A is this value. M is this value. M is this. And A is this initially. A is this. And M is this. So by taking those two A and M, I am going to get 1, 0, 1, 1. So I have put this 1, 0, 1, 1 here. Got it? Now what is it? So now same value, I am just repeating it. Now next is that shifting. After adding, we have to perform shifting. So shifting is that this 0 is going to come here 0, 1, 0, 1. This 1 is going to come here 1, 0, 0, 1. Right? That concludes this step. So now I am going with a last step, because see here, shift number 1, shift number 2, shift number 3. Obviously fourth shift is going to be the final shift. Clear? Because n is equal to 4. Right? Now you check what is your value. The value is 1 again. If it is 1, what you have to do? You have to perform add and then shift operation. Clear? Right. So if you are going to add, what will be it? So now I am going to add this value 0, 1, 0, 1. See here, I have taken 0, 1, 0, 1, and the other value is 1, 0, 1, 1. 1, 0, 1, 1. Where do I get this 1, 0, 1, 1? Right? This value is this. M value. M value is 1, 0, 1, 1. Got it? If I add, I am going to get this value. Right? This value is going to be 4, 0 followed by 1. This 1 will be coming to this C value. This is a reason why we are adding this C. So from there, what it is going to happen? Once this is over, next operation is always shift. So I am going to shift. So this 1 is going to come here. 1, 0, 0, 0. This 0 is going to come here. Then 1, 0, 0. Then this 1 is discarded. So the final answer is every time AQ only. Final answer is every time AQ only. That is why I have put a box. Right? AQ value is 1, 0, 0. So this is your AK value. Right? This AK value, when you convert it into a decimal value, it is going to be 132, which is nothing but 11 cross 12. That is the shift multiplier sum. Thank you.